This is Rashawn11 with Keller Williams Realty. This presentation will feature the renovation mortgage loan called the FHA 203K. So why is renovation lending important in today's real estate market? Well, it is essential to revitalize and renovate deferred maintenance properties to continue to build pride in homeownership and to not have, properties that look like this on the screen here. Many properties won't pass appraisals due to leaky roofs, mold in basements, missing or outdated HVAC systems, or other reasons. Renovation lending solves the problem of inhabitable and undesired properties in today's market. So, what is an FHA 203K loan? It is a renovation and rehab loan for townhomes, single family, up to 4-unit multifamily dwellings, and approved condos. The program is not limited to first-time homebuyers. It's available to repeat buyers as well, though only one FHA loan is allowed per borrower at one time. The same qualification and down payment applies for renovation loans as of the standard 203B FHA loan. The Federal Housing Authority is reshaping real estate in a whole new way. So what are the differences between the two FHA loan products? There is the Streamline and there's the full. With the Streamline, you can't have any major structural changes. There is no minimum repair amount, though the project total expenses cannot exceed $35,000. And there is no HUD consultant required, though you can have one. With a full or standard product, their major structural changes are allowed. The minimum for the project has to be at least $5,000. No maximum project amount, so it can exceed as long as you're qualified for that particular loan. You can go up to 100,000, 200,000, doesn't really matter as long as you qualify. The HUD consultant is required because they are going to look at the bids, tell you the condition of the property, what can be done, what can't be done, and if it's feasible, they will do a feasibility study. So what are the eligible repairs that can be done? So how about a new kitchen? Does the house you saw or does your current house have old appliances, cabinets, lighting, countertops, electrical outlets, sinks, and flooring? Let's do a kitchen remodel. How about a new bathroom? Do you need new cabinets? How about a new sink, new flooring, a tub, a shower, a toilet, countertops, doors, lighting, fixtures? Bathroom remodel. How about paint? No lime green paint. You don't want the pink paint and the old wallpaper, and let's fix that. So you saw a home with a perfect floor plan, but it needs to be repainted. Are you going to pay an outside painter when you can roll it into your mortgage and have it completed and not have to have the hassle of trying to figure it all out once you move in? You love that home, but it has dated wallpaper in the kitchen and the dining room. Yuck. That's a nasty job to take on after you buy your house. Let's get rid of those wood panels in the basements that you don't want. So do interior and exterior. Flooring. Change carpet to wood. Change wood to carpet. Vinyl to ceramic. Your choice, as long as it's within the budget. So flooring. So if only the basement had that extra theater room or another bedroom, or worse, it has water problems or molds and it needs to be waterproofed. How much would that cost? Thousands. Finance these repairs into your mortgage so you don't have to. The two floors above may be perfect, but the basement just makes the house inhabitable. Let's change that. All right, plumbing, electrical, septic, and well. So between the 70s and 80s, there were those nasty polybutylene pipes that currently leak. Why not get those fixed? Let's change the outdated plumbing with new. Electrical work, if you need that, you can fix it. Does the home have a septic system or a well? You can fix and repair that too. Is the home everything but with a new roof? How about those gutters? Are they hanging off the house with the downspouts? All of these things are eligible in making the home more appealing and safe for you. Make your home like a newly constructed home with energy efficient items, hers, like the builders down the street. This is included but not limited to insulating the attic, the air ducts, the pipes, replacing doors, windows, installing active and passive solar technologies, and more. HVAC system. Is it not getting cold? Is the house 25 years old and the HVAC system is 24 years old? Let's fix that. Or worse, is it missing? Is it not there? So they're not going to let you get a regular loan if you have no HVAC system. But with a 203K loan, you can get one. So we all want to entertain. Let's put on that deck, add the patio, add a porch, add a fence for more privacy. You can do that with a 203K loan. Oh, I'm so sorry. Luxury items are not eligible repairs within FHA 203K loan. Though, with the Fannie Mae home style product, they do allow luxury items. Be sure to check out my video on that. The truth about real estate is really location, location, location. You can change anything about a home, but you cannot change its location. So it is essential to get that one part right. And the rest, you can let your renovation loan take care of it. So now I'll review a few, like an example of a streamline renovation. So let's say you purchase this house at 200,000 and the rehab renovation costs are going to be 35,000. So what you do is you add the purchase price and the renovation cost together to get the sum. So the total acquisition cost plus the purchase is going to be 235,000. So the appraiser is going to not appraise it based on what it is now, but they will appraise it based on what it will be. So, hypothetical, In this scenario, they've appraised it at $240,000. But your lender is going to take whichever value is less, whether it's either the sales price plus acquisition or 110% of the after improvement value. So in this particular case, we're going to use the 235 because that is less of the appraisal. Then you have your 3.5% down payment, which is $82.25. So your base loan amount is $226,775, and your total loan amount with your private mortgage insurance, you will be at $230,744. So just think, like this picture here. If you can dream it, it can be it. So now I'll review a few questions that I'm commonly asked. I won't be able to live in the house for 6 months. Will I still have to pay my mortgage? The answer, no. The mortgage payments are will be able to be rolled in as long as the HUD consultant verifies the inhabitability of the project for the 6 months, though you have to have a full 203K loan to utilize this. Next question. Are the interest rates higher on an FHA 203K loan? Yes, the interest rate is higher, but there are benefits to this. For only $5 per thousand borrowed, you can have a newly renovated home with the perfect commute and peace of mind. Borrowing an extra $35,000 is only $175 added to your monthly payment. Can I refinance using an FHA 203K loan? Yes, you can use an FHA 203K loan in order to make improvements and repairs to your home. However, no funds will be allowed back at closing. Any funds not used in the renovation will be added back to the principal loan balance after the work has been completed. What happens to the renovation funds that haven't been used? The funds will be credited as a principal curtailment. A principal curtailment is adding funds to the principal balance. If more funds are available, the funds will be added to your principal to reduce the amount owed. So let's say, for instance, if you had, your project was estimated for $30,000, but you only used $25,000. So the extra $5,000 would go back to your principal balance because it wasn't used. They can't give it back to you. It has to be used in some way, so that benefits you. And it goes towards the principal, so interest is not calculated in that. Are you ready to revitalize your dream home? I am Realtorleaven with Keller Williams, your renovation specialist and FHA 203K loan advisor. Helping turn visions into reality with renovation lending. Will you improve or move your address? Call 703-474-1754. Thanks for watching.